Just to buy it.
$200 right there. Yeah.
Okay, there's nothing here in the laundry room.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it.
You don't have to get the laundry room, do you?
It's sold on that, don't
Well, we would have paid $100 for hers that we wouldn't
Yeah.
have even known.
we? That's right.
What was that?
She would sell her stereo to us for $100.
What brand
I
is
said
it?
She couldn't tell us.
If you don't know what brand, if it's
She
a
couldn't
good
tell
brand,
us
brands,
anything,
or-
Dad. And we couldn't go see it.
Well, I
Did
don't
she
know.
say she can't come over? Didn't you say we'll come over? Or can you come over right now?
Okay,
Okay.
you can shut it if you want, or open another one, or...
This is Waterford up here. 12 Waterford old-fashioned glasses. Why are you uncovering
This is
those?
stuff too.
And
What in
two
the world?
sets of salt and pepper shakers, one set Waterford.
Oh,
And-
what?
Japanese dishes.
You can just leave this stuff up there and just point to it or that.
Okay, that's enough for that. Those are just pots and pans and silverware. Your fridge.
Hi there, young fella.
Yep.
Yeah, pulls over the bottom.
Oh, you got silverware there. Oh, here, the KitchenAid, you gonna do that?
Give me a little more cord.
Very old, spode.
Tommy, you better get one back here. Move on to side.
Rosenthal. This is a very old piece. Hobnail.
So you could just take it off and put it back in too.
Okay, can you zoom up on this?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's Christmas.
Waterford,
Wait. Okay.
Honey Star. Silver platter. This is very old, was my grandma's hobnail, very old crystal. This is a new platter. Old Haviland platter. This is an old Lennox platter. There are 3 pieces of this Haviland china that was Grandma's. This was my grandma's piece, wedding gift, old milk glass. This is just
Out here.
an old kitchen, it's a Christmas plate.
Out here. Uncle's taping. Uncle's
This is an antique plate.
He'll get you in afterwards. He'll get you in afterwards.
I think a German. Hand-painted plate. Those are just plain old platters. This is a Haviland platter. That was my grandma's. Right here, now we'll go. Teapot for Mary.
Worthless.
This is a piece of Henri, hand-carved wood. No, it's wood. This cost wholesale $100.
You don't want a 2-hour documentary.
It's an old mug. And this.
coffee grinder.
Okay. churn, very old. This is a print I paid $35 for. Ink sketch. Okay, do you want to come into this window? Here,
Just point to stuff and just say what it is as soon as you say it.
set of 12, Haviland china. Not a complete set. This is a complete set of 8. Noritake from Japan. One set of Noritake up here for 8, one set of Noritake there for 8. A set of plain Haviland Bavarian china, set of 12. This goes with the Haviland teapot and all the rest of the, 3 bowls, china rice bowls.
She did.
Just kind of get that, scan over that. It isn't priceless,
With the refrigerator too, everything all that.
We're not going in the refrigerator and the cans of pop.
Everything outside of it just is.
but okay, you got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I don't. Can I just slide this over? Records and glasses.
Yeah.
Disgusted with them.
Pewter candlesticks. Okay. That's all full of vases. But get the piece of Yargo.
Well, let me finish. Get some more here.
Did you mention the stereo?
You mentioned the expensive stereo.
Oh, and your Marceau.
Yes, my mirror out in the hall, that's an antique. Did you get these pictures on the wall here, Tom? Those Japanese pictures? Oh, I should get all my dolls out. Do you think I should?
As long as you can remember. If you can remember everything, then you're okay,
Remember
but
all those, would you?
Well, I'll write them down someday and put the price.
You could jot them down and put what?
It's just scan the room. What? You see, I've had it. Who cares? Get my music boxes too.
where are they? Oh, in the chest?
In this
Yeah.
thing here. Oh, God, this is... I don't want you taking this, Tom. It's just jammed full of stuff.
Infirmities and weaknesses, to comfort each other.
Okay, let's